Looking for the cutest crochet project ever? Wait till you see this adorable drawstring pouch with tiny hearts and bows. Let's make it together. Start by making a slip knot and chain 23. Skip the first 2 chains and make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the hook. Then continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Once you are done, when you reach the end, you will have a total of 20 double crochets. In the last stitch, make 3 double crochet to create a smooth curve for the base of the pouch. So we have completed one side of the base. Now turn your work to the opposite side and continue making double crochets evenly across. Now finish the round with the slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Now for the next round, chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all around. Then join with a slip stitch to complete the round. Now for the next round, chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in each stitch all around. join with a slip stitch to complete the round. Continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch all around until you complete a total row of 11. Almost. Now our cute little pouch base is ready. Now let's make the drawstring. I'm making 70 chains for the drawstring, but you can adjust the length however you like. Finish it neatly and fasten off. Take a tapestry needle and weave the chain through the front post of the 2 double crochets. Now skip the next 2 double crochets and continue weaving all around the pouch. this is how your drawstring works. Just pull gently to close the pouch and loosen it to open. So cute and functional. Now let's make some adorable decorations for the pouch. I'm gonna make a tiny bow. To make a tiny bow, make a slip knot and chain 5. Now skip 4 chain from the hook. Make 4 triple crochets into the 5th chain from the hook. To make a triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops 3 times. Continue making 3 more triple crochets into the same stitch. Then chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch to complete one side of the bow. Repeat the same steps for the other side and your tiny bow is completed. I'm going to glue the tiny bow to the center of the pouch. Now let's make the cutest little hearts. Start with a magic ring and chain 3. Now into the magic ring, make 3 double crochets, 2 half double crochets and chain 2. Mirror the same on the other side. 2 half double crochets and 3 double crochets. chain 3 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Pull the tail tightly to shape the heart beautifully. Chain 1, fasten off and weave in the ends neatly. And your tiny heart is ready. Make 3 more of this. And attach the hearts to the edge of the drawstrings for the sweetest finishing touch. And yes, here is our super cute crochet drawstring pouch all finished. Don't forget to save this tutorial and follow for more cute crochet ideas and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.